put together plywood shelves in my pantry. Probably you can tell I'm not an experienced woodworker, and I plan to 3D print edge covers and stick them somehow. I think it turned out pretty good. Now I'm on the very last shelf, and let me show you how I complete it. First, I want to explain something here. Each shelf edge stretches around 33 inches, and my printer's maximum length it can print is only 10 inches. And I would have to print out at least 4 parts, which means they will have seam gaps. So I have intentionally designed these parts to look seamless when all put together. So let me explain the details of this design in CAD. Okay, so obviously the whole thing is basically consists of 2 parts, a bracket mount and pattern slabs. Bracket will sit on the shelf and the slabs are for visuals. I think this chevron pattern works great to hide the seams in plain sight, but you can get creative. It doesn't have to be 2-tone patterns. I tried my best to make everything parametric. Here under modify menu, change parameters, you can adjust the model with these highlighted parameters, but I couldn't figure out making the patterns parametric, so you would have to deal with that manually, or you can design your own this pattern from scratch. Finally, I used the wood glue to attach them to the shelf, and it's not going anywhere. I personally love the result of this project, not only because they look great, but I think it's a great demonstration that 3D printed parts can be useful without too much of post-processing, and it can be implemented on various other projects. But what do you think of this technique? Can I call it a technique? Is a custom pattern worth the extra time and effort? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for your time and stay tuned for more.